Ever felt the urge to hit the refresh button on your AT&T phone number? Well, now you can do it right from your computer. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official AT&T website. You'll want to head over to it.com. Once the AT&T homepage loads, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now, using your AT&T account credentials, enter your user ID and password. Make sure to double-check for any typos before clicking the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your account overview page. Look for a section that relates to your phone line or services, often labeled something like My Calls and Messaging or Wireless Services. Within that section, you should find an option to change phone number or an equivalent. This is the key step, so click on it to begin the process. This next screen will allow you to select a new phone number. You'll typically have the option to enter a preferred area code or browse available numbers in your region. Enter your desired area code and click Search or a similar button. A list of available phone numbers will appear. Review the options and choose the one that best suits you. Once you've made your selection, click on the button to confirm your choice. You'll then be presented with a confirmation screen. This will outline the details of your new number. Take a moment to review everything, and if you're satisfied, click the Accept or Confirm Change button. And just like that, you've successfully changed your AT&T phone number directly from your computer. Your account is now updated with your new number. Managing your communication preferences has never been this easy. If this tutorial was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more convenient tech tips.